Hi everyone, I hope you're staying safe and well. I just want to tell you about a free event we've just arranged today. So in the last few days, Welsh Government have released a major piece of consultation. It's called Safer Buildings in Wales, and it's their proposals on how to make safer buildings. So not just some of the technical side of it, but also the management, who's going to be responsible going forward. And most importantly, there's a whole section about resident voice, and I hope you agree with me on this, which is how do we make resident voice stronger in making sure our buildings are safe. So you've got two options. Option number one, you can download the document and have a read and respond to Welsh Government with your views. However, it is 123 pages long. There is an easy read version and there is a quick read, they call it, but even then that's, I think, 41 pages long. So to take the sort of stress out of that, we've arranged a free webinar for you, and we've asked Alexandra Smith to come along, who's the Building Safety Policy Manager at Welsh Government. She's well known with TPAS, she's good, and she'll take you through what does this white paper mean, how we're going to make our buildings safer, bit of noise going past there, sorry, and how it can work, going forward. So if that's of interest, it's a free briefing session. It's on Wednesday the 27th of January at 2 o'clock. Details are on our website and on our social media. So I hope to see you there. Thanks very much. Stay safe.